How to make sangria. Hello, I'm Peter Bint. How to make sangria. Dice the orange, lemon, and apple into small pieces. You can use whatever you have on hand. Add the chopped fruits to a large pitcher. Stir to combine. Add red wine, brandy, and orange juice. And stir all the ingredients together. If you prefer a sweeter sangria, feel free to add some sweetener. Chill it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes or up to 4 hours to let the flavors meld together. Serve the sangria over a glass of ice. Top it with sparkling water if you'd like. Enjoy. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and hit the like button.